In this video, we are going to show you how to activate an eSIM on your Android phone. Before getting started, ensure your iPhone is eSIM compatible, carrier unlocked, and has a stable Wi-Fi connection. Let's dive into how to install an eSIM. Go to Settings, click on the Connections or Mobile Data. Click on the SIM Manager. Tap on Add eSIM. Then click Scan QR Code. There are two options to install eSIM. You can activate it by scanning the QR code or by clicking Enter Details manually and typing the numbers under the QR in the email. For the first method, scan the QR code which is sent you by email. For the second method, click on Enter Details manually. The code is written on the email sent by us. Then click on Add, and eSIM is added. Set calls and messages to SIM1, which is your line. Set mobile data to the new added eSIM. To activate roaming, go to Settings, go to Connection, then Mobile Network, and activate data roaming. Don't forget to switch airplane mode off and on. Congrats! You are connected. That's all. You are ready to go. Enjoy your travels with RentnConnect's seamless internet solutions. If you need more assistance, please contact our customer service using the information provided on the screen.